This time on building terminology, hip truss. The hip truss is a half truss designed to form the hip in a trussed roof construction. It's supported on the truncated girder truss with the top chord extended up to the ridge. So looking at our roof again, if we take everything away except for the hip trusses, you can see there they are placed at the corners. They intersect the corners to form the hips. As it said, they sit on top of the truncated girder truss, and you may have also a truncated truss that they pass over, and they extend up to where the point of the ridge would be. And they also take or form a connection point with all of the jack trusses. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can also follow me on Facebook.